2 years ago, actually, I made a big mistake, which is I focused so much energy on the products to making sure the product is perfect. And what happened is when I launched the product and no one buys, see, and after that, I started to realize actually it's not really having a great product first, because you can have a great product, then no people buy, there's no point. So eventually what I realized is that I was falling in love with my product, but I'm not falling in love with my clients. What do you mean about falling in love with your clients? It's actually you need to find out really what do they really need. Do your product really fit what they need or not? And from there, you need to craft out your products, your program, your service according to what they need. So, and I see actually there's a lot of people come and ask me why they are not getting any sales. One of the reasons because you are falling with your products. You think your product is the best, but it's not really what the customers want. But when you switch the mindset of actually falling in love with the clients, really making sure they get results, or really making sure they have what they want, you do some questionnaire, you ask questions, you do some surveys to make sure this is what you want. So when you have the answer, then only you start to craft out the program according to what they want. So this is actually how to explain about falling in love with your clients. And I learned this from Tony Robbins, and I learned this from Keith Cunningham, which is the Rich Dad in Rich Dad Poor Dad, right? So these are the basic principles, and this is actually the core principle actually when we want to start a business, regardless of whether you are new, you're a startup, or you're established in business. So when you switch over to this mindset, you know that there's a lot of things that you need to do to improve, to do surveys, to treat your customers right. So to treat your prospect, to ask about what do they really want. So from there, then actually you have a better idea how you want to grow the business.